First, open Canva. Click Create a Design. Select Presentation. This will open a new Canva presentation. Now go to the left panel. Click on Elements. Scroll down until you find Grids. Click on Grids to see the available options. Now look for a 3x3 grid. Choose the 3x3 grid and add it to your Canva design. The grid will appear on your canvas. Now resize the grid. You can make it square or use any size that fits your design. Place the grid in the center of the canvas. Next, we need to add our photos. Go to Uploads. Click Upload Files. Select the photos from your computer. You can also use the three dots menu to upload your files. Another option is to open your computer's file folder and drag the photos directly into Canva. Once your photos are uploaded, select the first photo. Click and drag it into one of the grid sections. Canva will automatically place the photo inside that section. Double-click on the photo. Now you can adjust the position and size of the photo inside the grid. Move the photo until it fits the way you want. Then click on an empty area of the canvas. The photo will now be placed inside the grid. Repeat the same process for the other sections. Select another photo. Drag it into the next grid section. Double-click on the photo. Adjust its position and size. Then click outside the photo. Continue adding photos to the remaining grid sections. You can also use the same photo in multiple sections if you want. Drag the same photo into another section. Double-click on it. Adjust its position. You can also rotate the photo if needed. Continue repeating these steps until all 9 sections are filled. Now you can adjust the spacing between the grid sections. Select the grid. Look for the spacing option. Increase the spacing if you want more space between the photos. Reduce the spacing if you want the photos to be closer together. Adjust the spacing according to your design. You can also resize and reposition the entire grid to make sure it is centered properly. Once you are happy with the result, your 3x3 photo collage is ready. That's it. This is how you can create a 3x3 photo collage in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.